Psychosexual development. Sigmund Freud believed that during the first 5 years of life, the individual goes through several stages that affect his personality. He called these periods as psychosexual stages. During each stage, pleasure is focused on a particular erogenous area of the body and on activities connected with that area. The genital stage. During the final stage of psychosexual development, the individual develops a strong sexual interest in the opposite sex. The genital stage is centered upon the genitalia, but the sexuality is consensual and adult rather than solitary and infantile. This stage occupies most of life of a man and woman. Its purpose is the psychological detachment and independence from the parents, where in earlier stages the focus was solely on individual needs. Interest in the welfare of others grows during this stage. The goal of this stage is to establish a balance between the various life areas.